Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा मृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, today we will recall the first chapter, that is, things around us. Before moving to the session, shall we do our energizer, that is, in and out. Children, first I will give you the instructions. You should listen and follow. Children, listen. If I say in, you have to show thumbs up. Then, if I say out, you have to show thumbs down. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Yes, let's start. In, out, out, in, out, out, in, out. Super children. Children, in last class we did worksheet no. Have you all finished it? Yes. Children, now shall we recall the first chapter, things around us. Let's start. Children, can you tell what are the concepts we saw in this chapter? Yes, you are right. Natural things, man-made things, living things and non-living things. Super children. Children, what is meant by natural things? Children, can you give one example for natural things? Yes, you are right. The sun, mountains, forest, air, rocks, river, animal and birds are example of the things that are created by nature. Children, what is meant by man-made things? Children, can you give some example of man-made things? Yes, you are right. The things created by human are called man-made things. For example, jute bag, table, sweater, etc. Super children. Children, natural things means the things created by nature are called natural things. For example, trees, forest, mountain, cloud, etc. Next, man-made things. Man-made things, the things created by humans are called man-made things. For example, pencil, pen, book, tables, etc. Children, do you understood about natural things and man-made things? Have you all understood? Yes. Children, now let us recall about the concept of living things and non-living things. Living things. Children, just tell something about living things and give one example. Yes, you are right. Children, can a leaf grow? Children, does a giraffe eats food? Yes. Children, can an ant move? Yes. Children, now let us recall about living things. Things which can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are called living things. For example, boy, tree, birds, and fish, etc. Children, share something about non living things. Can a table move? No. Children, does a box eat food? Children, can a helicopter grow? Yes, you are right. It will not grow. Super children. Now let us look at non living things. Things that do not move, grow, eat, react, and alive are called non living things. For example, rock, bucket, water, etc. Children, are you clear about the concept of natural things, man made things, living things, and non living things? Yes, children, in this class we recalled about all the concepts in first chapter. Children, in next class I'll conduct test assessment for you. Prepare well and get ready for the test. Children, hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.